Hi guys, my name is Maria. I'm the writer and main editor of our Kimchi and Beans blog and YouTube channel. I was born and raised in Puerto Rico, and for grad school I decided to go to journalism school in Boulder, Colorado. Eventually, I transitioned to advertising, and I've been doing that for 15 years now.
Hi everybody, my name is Nabol, and some people call me The Voice. I do a lot of the on-camera work, and I'm also the relationship manager and jack-of-all-trades creator. I was born in Seoul, South Korea, and I have lived in Germany, the US, and Puerto Rico, where my dad's side of the family is from. And I also work in the information technology industry.
So we began blogging when we moved to San Antonio from Puerto Rico, and that was over 10 years ago. And we would mainly share family recipes and our experiences in a country that was still fairly new to us. Before Texas, both of us had only lived here in the States for a few years.
So, particularly in Chicago, there aren't many couples just like us blogging about life. And we enjoy featuring unique mom and pop restaurants and parts of the community that others might miss. We also find it very satisfying to share a taste of how beautifully diverse this country is.
I think because of that, our content started to evolve. We also started traveling more, and we wanted to document that and share those experiences as well.
We realized we had more stories to tell beyond writing about simple recipes, so we decided to rebrand, and that's when Kimchi and Beans was born. We're a platform that celebrates culture and diversity through food tasting and exploration. The name Kimchi and Beans is a way for us to celebrate our Korean and Puerto Rican backgrounds, and we invite others to do the same.
We slowly started developing a style that is very simple and transparent. We basically let the dishes, the people, the experiences speak for themselves. And we just come as we are, whatever that might be on a given day.